Okay, so there's me prepping the headlight. I'm cleaning it with a degreaser pad. Those are the products I used. I used the Meguiar's 2-step cleaning solution, and you just heard my cat hit the dog. Using the scrubbing pad that came with the kit, it is a no drill required. That's why you see me using my hands to scrub at it. I also forgot to mention that on the box it says to reapply as needed. I did reapply as much as I can, but I did that off camera. And there's me forgetting my painter's tape. Oh boy. I'm using my regular shop towels. I think I bought those at Walmart or AutoZone. See right here, that's why you don't forget your tape, because it kept falling. I had to get my boyfriend to assist me, but I was spraying the headlight coating on top of it. Yep, there I am, spraying away. Okay, right here, I am actually trying to get the little thing that I made stay, but it didn't want to stay. No matter what I did, it didn't want to stay. Okay, so here's the before, and there's the after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks.